Hi, this is Lily and welcome to my page. It is always an honour and a privilege to have you join me, so thank you. This is the year 2018 and I think it's a spectacular year. It's going to be a spectacular year because I'm going to make it a spectacular year. We can go online and we can watch YouTubes and we can watch what other people are doing and learn from them. And that's what I've been doing the past 2017. I have been learning different things every single day. So I'm coming back to you again to share with you about how you can go online and go on other people's YouTubes. And if you want to learn something different, learn from them. Because you're not going to make it happen if you keep saying it. If you keep saying, oh, well, I'm going to learn something different. I'm going to do this day or this day. Or I'm going to do a course or I'm going to go on. Yeah, because I've been through that myself. But the only way I feel that I have been learning things about life in general, about everything and anything that I want, is going online and teaching myself and educating myself on what I need to know. So by doing these videos, this is one of my big challenges as well, is coming online and having something that I could share with you, always wanting to think about what can I share with you today. Most of my videos have been on the same thing. Learn something different every day, do something different every day. Be productive every day. And that is the only way you're going to achieve something in life that you've always wanted to do. That's the only way I believe that we're going to achieve something in life, is when we step up on the step and take one step at a time. One step at a time. I know there's a tune, but anyway, taking one step at a time. My videos will come up to you all the time and they'll say the same thing. Have you done something different today? Because you can't wait for someone else to come and change your life. You can't wait for Mr. Right or Miss Right to come along and say, well, they're going to change it for you. No way. Everything has to come from you. It has to start from you. You are the beginning and you are the end. Well, that's how you came out into this world. You came out on your own. I believe in that saying that you were that little sperm that you fought your way here, and now you've grown into this beautiful person that you are, and you are the only person that can help yourself learn, is to learn from others as well. Learn what you need to learn. And everything is so accessible to us now. Online, on YouTube. Everything is so accessible to us. So we must take advantage of it. We must. It's a must. So without you having to go and take these expensive courses, it's about yourself that you need to educate yourself. And I believe that you can do that online. Everything is now online. Just like me making this video now is online. And you're coming onto it online. Sorry. So it's just being honest. Just to tell you that 2018 is going to be a special year. Do something today. Watching this video, I'm only a person who's coming to remind you. Have you done it yet? Have you done what you're supposed to do? Have you given it a tick? Have you prioritized this on your planning schedule? Have you put it in your most important plan of starting? 1, 2, 3. What is the first one that you must achieve? Second, third, and ticking it off. So the first one you could start is today. Start today by planning today to say or write down what you're going to do. And by doing the small steps, you'll achieve the bigger steps. So I just want to thank you again for coming on my page. I believe in education, and educating yourself is so important because you must know what you're talking about. Sometimes I don't even know what I'm talking about, but I learn as I go along because I listen to other people. I go online and listen to what other people are saying. And my YouTubes could be very simple in just saying, I'm a reminder to say, have you done this? Have you done that? So thank you again for joining my page. It's always good to see you. This is Lily, and do subscribe to my page And do click onto the link below this page and do it today. Do something different. Do something different every day. So thank you again. I'll catch you on my next video. Cheers for now.